hiding back there? Hello? Hello? Hi, does your phone work? I've been trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty. Ah, spider! I'm just fooling. It was Lieutenant Funny Feet playing Slap and Tickle. Welcome back, farmers, gardeners, and fruit tree growers. See, one of the reasons I grow my own food is for my health. See, I've had heart issues, I've had kidney stones. I mean, I've had some life-altering health issues. In the last week, I've been really sick. Sore throat, runny nose, itchy eyes, head is a-throbbing, joints are achy, muscles are sore. I think even my hair is hurting. I'm feeling better now, but I still have this sickness. The start of this sickness, I was eating some chicken. It was some spicy chicken. I mean, it was covered in spices, and it had no flavor to it at all. Only thing I could tell is it was cold because I didn't eat the night before. I didn't feel well. I pulled it out of the fridge and just ate it right out of the fridge. Had no flavor to it at all. It was just cold in my mouth, which actually felt really good, but it had no flavor. So that's kind of concerning with all the other symptoms I have. And then I don't have a sense of smell while my nose is clogged, but I didn't have a sense of taste. That was kind of concerning. So, oh no, I caught the Rona. So I ran out in the yard and I tried a couple things. Let's check them out. So on my quest of trying different things to see if they have a flavor to them, I came out and tried this. This is an Aztec sweet leaf or Aztec sweet herb. People usually use it as like a ground cover. Works pretty good as long as you don't get hit by a frost. If you're going to get hit by a frost, protect it if you want to keep it, because if you don't, it's all over but finding a replacement plant for it. They seem to respond well to partial sun. Don't really enjoy full sun. Don't really enjoy a lot of shade. Here I just got right in the edge of a woods line here. I got them in pots. But this should be really sweet flavored. I came out and tried it. Took a leaf, popped it in my mouth. Like I said, it's 1,000 times sweeter than sugar. No flavor at all. But I do understand that people use it for like bronchitis, asthma, coughs, stuff like that. So there's still some use for it, even if you don't eat it. It's supposed to work pretty good for that. I'm gonna have to research it, see how people are doing it. Maybe I can clear myself up. So another thing I tried, I came out here and I tried the Cuban Oregano. Now, Cuban Oregano, it's called that, but it's actually not oregano at all. I don't think it's mint or thyme, anything like that. Just Cuban Oregano. The actual scientific name to it, I don't know. Pilanthus something. Don't recall. Doesn't really matter. But it didn't have a flavor, and it should have explode my head flavor because the stuff is quite strong. And nothing. But I use this as a ground cover around plants to keep deer, gopher tortoises, and rabbits away. It seems to work really good keeping those away. I tried it last year around some pumpkins to see if that would help keep like the pickle worms and stuff like that away. It didn't work. I might as well just throw rice at the worms. It did absolutely nothing. But this didn't have any flavor at all, and that was kind of concerning. All right, and the last one I tried was the turmeric here. If this doesn't have any flavor, just pull the curtain shut because it's all over. I'll see you guys on the other side. This stuff is supposed to help with like digestive health, cholesterol, antidepressant, which is hopefully helpful because I missed a couple days of work and that's kind of bumming. Heart health, well, I need that after some heart issues. Inflammation, there's all kinds of stuff. This stuff is said to be good for you. So all I do is I pull a plant out, I dice it up, dry it out, grind it up, and I'll add it to tea with some cayenne pepper and some black pepper. Well, when I did that a few days ago, I put way too much black pepper in there, way too much cayenne pepper in there. It was kind of spicy, but it felt good. I could taste it. I could actually taste it. Woohoo! Life is good again. Well, getting better anyways. Once I get past this, it'll be definitely a lot better. And well, that's it today. I'm sure I'll get to feeling better. Hopefully you guys are doing great as well. I'll leave you here. Here's my Florida spinach. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye.
I'm thirsty. He grinned as he stumbled through the bar. Well, he said, give me some more love, give me some love, give it all.